Wabo bie waba van wabo ta kere kere no wayage iwenina. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this learning. You're welcome to Learn Believe with Orine. Okay, today we are going to be looking at different places, different stations that we have in Edo language. All right, we have actually made some videos in the past that you may want to go and watch and come back to join us in this video. And if you are finding value, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give us a comment. And if there are other things that you may have been looking for to learn in Edo language, why not drop it in the comment section and we'll make a video to explain those things to you. And lastly, if you also need a personal coach for yourself or for your kids, why not? We are available for that. So just send us a message or reach us through the number that is showing on your screen, okay? And we'll be able to work with you on your preferred time. So let's look right into our video for today. Prison, Ewedo. Prison, Ewedo. Hospital, Owisimiegbe. Hospital, Owisimiegbe. Police station, Ogwolapa. Police station, Ogwolapa. School, Owebe. School, Owebe. Court, Ogwezo. Ogwezo. Court, Ogwezo. Church, Owugamosa. Church, Owugamosa. Market, Eki. Eki. Market, Eki. Shrine, Owebo. Shrine, Owebo. Office, Isinwina. Office, Isinwina. So this is what we have for today. Is there anyone I didn't remember to mention? You can put it in the comment section. Bye. We love you.